Today I want to show you this merchandise was given by a company, and it's a webcam cover. It looks quite small. I hope this one will work. Because I have shown on another video with different webcam cover, it was also a merchandise, but somehow it was too big. It doesn't fit to my laptop. You can have a look in my older video. Okay, this one look promising. It's saying ultra thin design. So let's open it. Okay, it's a set of 3. And you can see at the back there is a very small circle sticky part to stick on the laptop. And this is the part where you slide left and right to cover the camera. Okay, let's have a look. At the moment, you can see my camera is covered with one piece of paper here only. So let me remove this here. Okay, now I just remove the tape behind the sticky part. Now let me put it somewhere here. So now I got it stuck here, and it looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's covering anything, so I just turn on the camera and make sure it is not covering anything. So you can see everywhere the corner are clear, and now I slide it close. Now I'm safe, no one can see me. And you can also see that this one is really good. It's so small that the indicator here is not covered, and there are 2 microphones on the side. They are free from any object. If I close this one, and you can see the indicator is off, camera is off. And this is my old Toshiba laptop, and let me try it on this old laptop as well. And looks like this one just fit perfectly. You can see it. The camera is inside here, and the microphone is far away, so it won't have any problem. It's here. So my verdict, I'm quite happy with that. It's so small that it doesn't cover anything else surround the camera. I have tried something else on one of my older videos. It is quite big and I couldn't use it because it's covering something, and you can have a look in there. So if you need a webcam cover, maybe you have to search for thin or ultra thin design or whatever. Make sure you get such small one, otherwise it won't fit on your laptop. I'm quite happy. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.